Other work-from-home opportunities. If you want to work at home, there are many different options available to you that can involve a hybrid of online visibility and offline work. What follows is just a general sampling of this type of hybrid opportunity. Keep in mind that these opportunities require real work. You have to physically be somewhere. You're basically back to active income in the sense that you are trading in your time for money. The only online dimension to this is that people will find out about your service through the internet. Catering, baking, and cooking. If you have a Facebook account, you can use Facebook to offer catering services. Facebook is geared towards local businesses, so when people look for local catering and baking or cooking services, they can find your business. You can sell prepackaged meals that you prepared in advance, or you can rent yourself out as an on-site chef or cook. If you're going to go into this kind of business, make sure you look for competitive pricing. Childcare. You can offer childcare services out of your home. However, make sure you comply with local licensing rules. There are also potential insurance bond issues that you need to comply with. Care for pets. You can also set up your home as some sort of doggy hotel. There is a tremendous amount of demand for this type of service. You can also walk people's dogs for them or otherwise take care of their pets as a pet sitter. You can advertise these services on places like Craigslist. Depending on your jurisdiction, you might have to get a permit and insurance. You also might have to get certain modifications to your premises built. Handicrafts, painting, and music. If you are in any way creative, you can just create music or graphic arts packages and sell these online. There are lots of people looking for royalty-free music. You can either join a website that acts as a clearinghouse for this type of material, or you can sell it through your own site. Mechanic services. If you love cars, you can advertise on Craigslist to be a drop-in mechanic. Now, please understand that people would pay good money for this because you are actually visiting them and doing repair work on their car. The same possible legal issues of pet sitting apply here as well. Gardening services. You can offer informal gardening services through the internet. There are a lot of people who need certain plants trimmed or their lawns mowed. This can be lucrative, but your service page has to be very visible online.